Hey guys, Lance with AVD here. Today we're going to look real quick at our BCM reset. So there's some errors that can be caused by the BCM not fully shutting down and then reinitializing. And so if we come in here to the control module list, we will look for our BCM body control module, click into it there. We'll come over here to output tests in here. You have a way to hard reset it. At this moment in time, you might hit a password screen. We're working on taking that out so that way anybody can access this, but you'll have your output tests here. For this, you will do a hard reset. It's just gonna go offline and then reboot. It's just like shutting down your computer and turning it back on, which can eliminate some codes, like clear it out just to let it shut down and boot back up. So we're gonna click yes here. You can see that it's hard resetting here. You can hear that everything chimed and it's going through the process. So the module's reinitializing, and that's pretty much all there is to it. It should be reset, and that should clear out some issues if you have any. I believe INEOS has it as a known fix for some problems. So that would be the way to do that. Thanks.